Wealth Manifestation Workshop, Tools for Prosperity. The Wealth Manifestation Workshop is a program designed to help individuals to create and maintain prosperity in their lives. It provides practical tools and techniques for manifesting wealth and financial abundance. The workshop focuses on the mental and emotional aspects of wealth manifestation. It teaches participants how to identify and eliminate any limiting beliefs that may be preventing them from achieving their financial goals. It also helps them to develop a positive mindset and cultivate an attitude of abundance. The workshop also provides practical strategies for increasing wealth. Participants learn how to create a budget and manage their finances, how to invest their money wisely, and how to create multiple streams of income. It also covers topics such as business planning, marketing, and sales. The workshop is designed to be interactive and engaging. It includes activities and exercises to help participants apply the principles they have learned. It also provides an opportunity for participants to discuss their experiences and share their insights with each other. The Wealth Manifestation Workshop is a powerful program that can help individuals to create and maintain prosperity in their lives. It provides practical tools and techniques for manifesting wealth and financial abundance and helps participants to develop the mindset and skills necessary to achieve their financial goals.